Students, welcome back again to the Cheeky class of Standard 5. In the previous session, you studied chapter number 32, Save Energy. Today, let us continue with the chapter 33, Shh. That means, children, you like to send message secretly to your friends or anybody else in different language or in differently. So here is the way to write the message secretly to anyone. Secret writing is meant to be read only by one for whom the message is intended. People use invisible ink, codes, ciphers, or a combination of all this in secret writing. So there are different ways to write this secret writing. Some people use invisible ink, codes, ciphers, or a combination of all this. A few letters of the alphabet are written below with a code or symbol that stand for the letter. Student, here is the alphabet given and here is that code is given. If you want to write A, then you should use this sign. And if you want to use B, use this sign. For W, use this sign. And for D, use this code, and for E also use this square. This is one code to write secret writing. Then for T you can write V as a code, and for H you can write this type of code. One side is open in square. For alphabet I, you can use this sign. Then for alphabet R, you can use the above sign with dot in between. And then for N, you can use the square and one dot between. If you are making only square, then it is letter E, not N. For N, you have to do one dot between. Now proceeding further, for Y, you can use this less than sign with dot. For alphabet M, you can use this sign with dot. And for U, you can use less than sign. And for S, the code is greater than sign. Now student, here you keep in mind all this sign to write secret message. Now here is written some secret message. Find out the message written in secret code. Student, can you make out which message is written here? Can you tell me what is written here? What secret message is written here? It is, beware, the enemy is behind us. Beware, enemy is behind us. So the meaning is, beware, enemy is behind us. Student, here is a Mr. Know-all. Code and cipher can mean the same thing, but message experts use them differently. A code is a list of words that stand for other words or maybe even whole sentences. Suppose you hear a radio patrolman, for example, call headquarters and say, signal 3. This may be a code for an armed robbery has just occurred. So here signal 3 is the code for this message that an armed robbery has just occurred. Now here ciphers. Ciphers are systems of changing the separate letters of a message. Very simply put, you can use EGASSEM. Letters are written in reverse order, which is message written backwards. So here message is written backward. Now guess what this means? ILSME. So this is also written backward. You can read as EMSLI. And here EDCO, UAHLG, PRICAG. That's all for this session. Thank you.